Hi, riders. ADA is right now at a very crucial moment. The charts are saying that it has a lot of potential for a bump in the following weeks. So let's dive in. Let's see what the charts and the facts are saying. So let's go to our first chart for ADA. So what we're going to see is the weekly chart for ADA, and we're going to enable our trend rider algo number 2, and especially this indicator right here, which is the macro divider band. And we coded this indicator to serve as a reference for when the price is actually on a bull market or in a bear market. So when price is above the band and also the green line is above the red line, you see right here, the asset is on a bull market and the price will most likely tend to go up in time. So what's going on with ADA? You can see in the past how this played out beautifully. It was the C19. We have this signal right here when the green line went over the red line and prices started trading up, and it kept trading up until this happened. We have a sell signal right here on the divider band and full bear market mode on. And what is going on right now? You can see how ADA is just trying to trade above this band. It's right there, right at the limit. So this is a very crucial and important time for ADA. It tried also this a few weeks ago, but what's different here is that the green line was still below the red line, and we already had this crossover right here where green line is just above the red line. So it is flipping bullish. But what we need now is for the price to start trading above a few weeks, and then it should pump very fast. For example, let's compare the same indicator for Bitcoin, and you can see how Bitcoin did almost exactly the same, and now it's trading above the divider band. There's a clear cross on the divider band with a green line above the red one. Bitcoin trade up, tested support, and is right now trending up, and it could probably test support again, but it's most likely going bullish once again. This is just facts on the chart. So ADA right now in a very crucial moment. If Bitcoin holds, I think that the most probable thing to happen is for ADA also to catch up and start doing the same as Bitcoin. So the second chart we're gonna see is on our rider algo number 1. We go to trend signal. This is not necessarily, and show rider band. So the rider band is a different band made by different moving averages. These moving averages change colors when those are bullish, in this case the green band, or bearish, the red band. But what we want here, similar to rider band, is to press for the price to start trading above this band. So where is ADA right now? ADA right now is below the rider band on the weekly chart. Bear signal is still active on our indicators. And it's just very similar to the divider band, even though it is a very different indicator and calculations. Is trying to enter the rider band and try to see if it goes all the way up. But look, something interesting. Let's switch to Bitcoin. And you can see that Bitcoin also did the same thing and is also trading above this rider band. And it's right now very close to close full weekly candle above the band, which is very bullish. And I think that ADA, if Bitcoin holds, will catch up very soon and close this distance very fast from 37 cents there is now to 54. This can happen very, very fast. And it will be totally normal because it will be just doing some catch up with Bitcoin, which is already trading way above the rider band on the weekly. So things looking good for ADA as long as Bitcoin keeps holding above the band and trades there. So this is a target that I have in mind. I expect if Bitcoin hold that we get this move very fast for ADA on the following weeks. Remember, this is the weekly chart. Each one of these candles is a whole week. We have to be patient with these charts. On the other hand, this kind of analysis are much more accurate than, for example, if we use the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. And finally, this is an indicator that I love, that I use a lot, because it helps me to very easily understand where is an asset on its cycle. And you can see how ADA was in full bull mode here on this dark green channel or green channel when it started bear market mode, when all the channels down to the bloody red channel, and it just escaped this bloody red channel, so it's no longer on this awful downtrend channel which it was for so long, and it's right now also touching the resistance of this light red channel to enter this consolidation area, uh, or accumulation area for ADA, which is the limit right now at 37 cents. So we see a lot of confluence for ADA at this key level, 37 cents, 38. We see it. Where's Bitcoin? Right here. You can see that Bitcoin already broke bullish from this, escaped this dark red zone, already is on the green channel. This is on the daily time frame. It is already on this bullish green channel, which if we come back in the past, you can see how long was Bitcoin on this green channel, similar to ADA, a lot of time. So when an asset enters the green area, it tends to stay for a while. So ADA is lagging also behind. And if it closes this distance, it could easily go to 45, 46 cents. So in conclusion, what I see for ADA is a lot of upside potential as long as Bitcoin holds. As long as Bitcoin holds, ADA could close that gap very fast and pump to the 46 cents on the chart, probably to the 54 a little bit later, as this is a weekly chart. Here it is just closed. Here on this final chart, I need for ADA to close one or two candles above this band. And off we go. ADA will be ready for a next pump and hopefully a new all-time high eventually. So remember, guys, this is a weekly time frame analysis. Don't use high leverage based on this analysis. What I do here is I go with spot position, buy the dips as I see that Bitcoin is already on bullish territory. So each dip from here, I tend to buy if I did not buy before. So this is it, guys. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, help us grow if you like this content, and hope you have a great trading week.